everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is a bit of a vlog style video. I'm going to be bringing you shopping with me. I'm also going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing here of a few things that I got in the last week, and unfortunately with Christmas and I'm sure all the delays in packages, there's so many things that I didn't get in time for my holiday tomorrow. I am going to Turkey. We are going to Istanbul for I think it's like 4 or 5 days. And I'm super excited. I will be vlogging the whole holiday. We are staying in a really nice place, and I've booked into some really nice restaurants and Turkish baths and all those things. So I'll be vlogging that entire thing, which will be up next week. But for today, I'm going to be doing a little bit of unboxing, going into the city centre in Dublin for a little bit of last minute shopping. I'm also buying my Christmas present from basically my entire family and savings that I have saved over the last few months for my 2021 wish list item. I'm super excited to buy that, and I'll be showing you that later in the video. So lots of fun stuff. I'm going to be doing a little bit of gift shopping as well, maybe try on some stuff in Brian Thomas, and yeah, let's get started. So first up is a really exciting piece that is from Totem. It is a belt, and it sounds really boring, but a good quality belt is something that you'll literally have forever. And I just have noticed recently that a lot of the outfits that I have seen on Instagram or Pinterest or wherever it is, it's always that little bit of a detail, like a beanie hat or the belt or the bag, that often adds that little extra something to an outfit. And a good quality belt is something that I'm definitely missing. So I decided to go for the Totem. I was being drawn toward the Celine belt, but I just feel branded things are probably going to go out for a while, and I think having just a plain black with gold is going to be something that I'll have forever. And this I think was €270. I bought it on Net-a-Porter. And I'll show you now in the mirror how much of a difference it makes to the outfit. Even this outfit right here that I'm wearing, just a plain shirt from Zara and my black Philippa K pants, this will just make all the difference to the outfit. So I'm really excited about this. It's just so simple and plain, but really effortless, and it'll add that extra bit of chicness to an outfit. So as you can see here, I have added this belt to a very plain outfit. My Philippa K black palazzo pants, Zara shirt, and this little detail at the waist literally just gives the outfit that little bit of extra flair. And personally, I think this outfit now looks way more complete than if I was just wearing the pants and the shirt. Sorry about the mess in the background. But yeah, I'm super delighted with this purchase, and definitely I will share the link to the belt and maybe some similar cheaper belts in the description box. Then I bought some very high street pieces from Public Desire. I'm much more into, when it comes to shoes, obviously I love heels, but I'm not in a place at the moment where I'm going to be spending a lot of money on shoes. I would much rather invest money in, let's say, handbags or leather pieces, maybe boots. Like I do feel like boots or runners, which I personally wear every single day, like my Balenciaga runners I wear so much, they're worth the investment. But heels for me at the moment just wouldn't be worth the investment. So in saying that, I do think they add so much to an outfit. So I got a few pieces from Public Desire. I got 3 pairs of heels. So these are obviously a bit of a knockoff. I loved the gold, I loved the simple design, but also that they'll kind of stand up out and add to an outfit. So I will show you them on as well. Then I went for plain white. So another rip-off. I'll show you the real ones here, but I love the square toe. It's funny, Connor really doesn't like the square toe. He doesn't get it, and every time I ask him, like, should I wear these shoes or those, and he's like, I hate the square toe, so don't wear those ones. I love the square toe. I think they're so flattering, and the little bit of a detail in the heel, and nice and strappy. White heels for me, are really great just to have because they go obviously with everything. And then last but not least, I got, I actually quite like the little packaging, a lot of extra stuff actually that you probably don't need. So I got these for a little bit of a statement, a green pointed stiletto with a strap around the ankle and a little tiny detail on the side, but the quality of them isn't great. I have tried them on and they're pretty comfy. We'll see how they are when I actually wear them, but I think I might bring these green ones away with me to Turkey just to add to my evening outfits. But yeah, you'll see over on my Instagram me styling those outfits. And yeah, so basically that is my little bit of a mini unboxing before I go into the city centre. I will bring you along with me and show you the lights in Dublin, and yeah, we'll see what I pick up. If they have my wish list item, I went in during the week and they didn't have it. They did say they were going to order more back in, but we'll see. And there are plenty of wish lists. I have I have a very long wish list when it comes to bags, but there are my top 3 that currently I'm really drawn between. So if they don't have my number 1, I might go for my number 2. We'll see what I decide. But yeah, I'll bring you along with me, and then we can do a little bit of an unboxing when I'm home as well. And yeah, I'm really excited. Now I am in the city centre. It's a bit of a grey day, to be honest, but the lights always brighten it up. I'll show you now. I am going to Brown Thomas, and I basically am going to be hitting up Dior, and I'm going to see if they have the black saddle bag, which is my number 1. And if they don't have the black saddle, I might be going for the Bobby or the Celine Triomphe. So I kind of have a few options there. I'm super excited. I have wanted the saddle for so long, and if I don't get it today, it's okay, because I'm going to be saving for one in 2022 as well, so I can always go for the saddle next year. But I would really like it for this year and for my holiday, and since it's my first Dior, I would like it to be the classic saddle. But the only thing is that I'll be going for the saddle in black, and I do wear way more beiges and creams, and if I was going for the Bobby, I would be getting that in the cream colour. So we'll see. I'll bring you in and I'll show you around, and then I'm going to have a bit of a try on of a few little bits and see how I get on. So I am wearing my, like I showed you earlier, my Philippa K, my new Totem belt, Zara shirt, H&M jumper, and the Frankie Shop blazer, or long blazer. And I'm about to buy this trench. I actually was in during the week and tried it on. I'll show it to you now. But I am in the midst of deciding which bag I'm going to buy. I think I've made the decision because, well, at the end of the day, it's a no-brainer really. And my mom said something about one of the bags that just totally put me off it, especially for the price that I've saved up a lot of money for this bag. So yeah, I'm going to stick to my guns and go with my gut. So it kind of looks quite similar to what I was just wearing, but obviously it's not. It's a trench and it is so ridiculously warm. Like, it's actually super thick and really, really soft. I love this detail in the sleeve. It's like a cinched, puffy sleeve. Love the detail on the sleeve with the buckle. And then I like the way it has the buttons, but then also when you close it, you can't see any of the buttons, so it's almost quite different when it's closed up, which I really like. And oh, sorry. And also I love coats and jackets that are super, super long. I just always feel it makes me look taller. So this is, for me anyway, the perfect length. So yeah, I'm really excited. I think I'm gonna get this now and then go down and get my bag. Hello, I am finally back from the city centre. It is dark now, so I have my ring light on to give me light, but I am just too giddy to wait until tomorrow. I want to open my bag that I got with you guys and show you what I got. So in the end, I did end up getting that trench coat. So I'm not going to bother taking it out of the bag again because I showed you in the change room, but I'm so excited about it because I find it really hard to find trench coats that have all of the elements that I really want, and especially when you're spending a good bit of money on a coat, you want it to be good quality and you want it to be also practical as well. So it wants to be warm, and this one is just literally everything I wanted. So I'm delighted that I got to try it on in person as well, because I feel I shop so much online and sometimes it's just not the same experience, and there are certain things that you would change, or if you would known you wouldn't have bought. So I'm delighted I got to try it on, and I'm really happy with the purchase. And while I was out, the jacket that I had bought last week that I didn't think was going to arrive in time for my holiday has arrived, so I'll open that as well. I was actually talking about it on my Instagram last week because I tried it on in store in Brian Thomas. I've been shopping a lot in Brian Thomas lately, thinking I'm Kim Kardashian or something, but yeah, I tried it on and I took a photo of myself in the change room, and I haven't been able to stop thinking about it since. So I ended up purchasing it online, and I will show you now. So excited. It is literally the dream. So a little bit different to the kind of puffer jacket, the Frankie shop puffer jacket that literally everyone has. I've been kind of humming and hawing whether to get it or not because I do really love it, but it's just one of those real trend items. I just found like this one was a little bit more fun with the collar, and I will again show you it better on Instagram when I am posting photos of it and how I style it on my holiday, because I'm definitely bringing this on my holiday. Such a cute and warm jacket to throw on with your sweat set, with jeans and a t-shirt. It just adds that little bit of extra something to your outfit. It's cozy, it's warm, and I have quite a lot of coats, so I wanted something that was a little bit shorter as well. I have a lot of long things. I don't have any short jackets, so this is just the perfect length. And yeah, I feel like you could also dress this up or dress it down. So yeah, I'm delighted with that. So let's move on to the main event. I'm just gonna close this. Oh my god, I'm just like so excited. So basically in the end I decided I went with Dior, obviously. I was showing you the two bags that I had my eye on. So the Bobby was kind of, the more I thought about it when I was in there, it was kind of more just a backup plan, and it's not really my dream bag. And there are definitely other bags that I feel I would prefer to the Bobby. And as my mum said, it's just not anything that special. It's super practical, and in a video I watched recently with Tamara, that blogger, she said it was one of her most used bags, and I get it. I think it's like, it's super pretty, it's clean, it goes with loads, it doesn't have a bit of a song and dance about it because it is quite, and that makes it quite practical because it's not like that eye-catching. But when you're shopping at Dior, like, I want something that's eye-catching. I want something that is like hella beautiful. So I decided to go with the saddle, and oh my god, like, just so beautiful. I actually can't believe that this is I can't believe that this is mine. And just the bag and everything, just so perfect. So I will open it now with you guys. So exciting. Oh my god, I can't believe it's mine. Eek, 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 eek. Holy Moses. I'm gonna see if I can take it out without ripping the paper, because I don't want to ruin the wrapping. It's just so perfect. Maybe if I could even just take it out like this. Sorry, you're not really seeing. I'm trying to do this as stealthily as possible. Oh my god. I literally cannot believe this is mine. Like, this is my baby. So the Dior saddle in print with Christian Dior. So there's one with just this Christian Dior print all over it, or the Dior print, but I just absolutely love this. It's so out there and so in your face, but you can also get here embroidered later your name, but for me this bag is like so Carrie Bradshaw. I know she has like had the newspaper printed one that was like, I don't think you can get it anywhere now, like it's so limited edition, but I feel like this speaks to me the way that bag spoke to me when I first saw Carrie Bradshaw wear it. And I feel, yeah, I just think this is a really special bag. And even though I love the saddle in black leather, I think this is just way more fun and really does make that statement, just like you want when you're wearing Christian Dior. You want to make a statement, and I feel like this will just make me smile every time I look at it. So I am so excited to bring this on my holidays and wear it on my holiday. And like my mum said, you could wear this casually, and you could also wear it like with a dress or something like that out for the evening. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that little shopping trip with me today. I did do some Christmas shopping as well, but it was just so hectic and busy in there that I just wasn't able to film everything. But I will be filming and vlogging my trip to Istanbul, which I am going tomorrow, so I will bring you along on that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this short little vlog, and I look forward to bringing you with me on my vacay. I hope you're all enjoying your Christmas shopping and getting all of your stuff done before Christmas next week. I can't believe how soon it has come. And I think maybe before the new year, I would like to do a bit of a catch-up video where I share kind of my goals for next year, especially with, I have a manifesting challenge, 5-day challenge video series coming 1st of January. So I'd like to kind of, in preparation for that, do a little bit of a catch up and let you know where I'm at with my goals. And yeah, so let me know if you have any questions that you'd like me to answer in that video. You can comment below, and I'd love to know if you would have gone for the saddle or the bobby, or if there's another bag that you think that I should add to my wish list, or what's your wish list item. Please do comment below. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love if you do. I will be bringing so much more content next year, including more yoga classes, so I'm super excited for that. Let me know what content you guys want to see more of, and I will see you next week for a brand new video. Thank you so much from me and my lover, Christian Dior. Goodbye.